Alright guys, on today's tutorial I would love to show you how to create a WhatsApp short link. Yeah, sometimes you don't want your WhatsApp to show, you want to have but a WhatsApp link that people click on it redirects you to your website. So I'm gonna show you how to do this quickly. To do this, you have to come to wa.link. Once you click the enter button, it's gonna load and it's gonna give you a page like this. Now, WhatsApp Maker has other ways that you can do it. You can open a WhatsApp free link. You can get a branded link, which that one comes along with some money. You can open WhatsApp chat. WhatsApp chat will lead you to WhatsApp web. So don't forget the website. The website is create.wa.link. So on that platform, you'll be able to get the necessities that you need for your WhatsApp. So from there, we're gonna just click on a free link. Since we don't need a branded link, we don't have the money for it right now. So the first thing I'm gonna see, they're gonna have to type your WhatsApp number, which is always good to choose the location of your WhatsApp before typing the number. Assuming this is my number 68102400. You have to type a customized message. This customized message is a message that, like, when people write me, I know that these are the people, this person is writing me from this link. So hello, I want a flyer. Most of the time I use this link a lot when I'm trying to do a personal boasting or a personal post. So when someone writes me through that link, I'm able to know who is writing me and where they are writing me from. So I just have to write hello, I want a flyer. This hello, I want a flyer, for example, if I was doing a Facebook post, I'll now be able to know where this person is coming from and how I should chat up with the client in question. So from there, I just have to click on generate my wa.link. So from there, it's gonna reload and it's gonna give me my personal link. Well, while we are waiting for that to give us that, if you see, it says give us a link. For example, on this find a brand link, find a walling dot for your blah blah stuff. So this is it. You see what.link slash and this is it. With this, you just have to use it. Now you can download the stuff. Okay, you can download the QR and add it to your design. You can download the QR code and add it to your design. So let's just say you have a design that you are doing and you needed to add the code there. So you can download this code and add it to it. Most people, I see people like cosmetic products. People that are doing cosmetic products, they add this to it. If you don't want to add it, all you can do is copy a link, or you can download the QR code and add it to your design. So when people scan the QR code, they are able to just have your direct WhatsApp. They don't have to start looking for your number. You can also have this on your complimentary card. Yeah, we do a lot of people that who do complimentary cards. So during the process of designing a complimentary card, you use this, and it's now, what does it do? It helps solve that problem. You don't want your numbers to be public, your numbers to be private. So people have to scan it, and you scan it by downloading a QR code from Google. Any QR code from Google, most of them, 100% of them work. So I would recommend you get that, and that is it, and that is how to create a short link for your WhatsApp. This is a code. You can still like copy it, it's your choice, but the best way to download is to copy it from here and download the QR code. Thank you very much. Keep on following WepTech Academy.